Hi, this is Nancy, and I'm going to introduce to you today a brand new vendor for Notions, and it's Siser. You might look at it and think it's Siser or Siser or all these other things. It's S-I-S-E-R, and it's pronounced Siser because they're from Italy. They've been making vinyls in Italy since 1970 and now have come over to the United States. So the first thing you need to learn is how to say the name. It's Siser. The second thing you're going to want to do is take a look at some of their videos. They have got a slew of videos. They've got Facebook, they've got Instagram, they've got Pinterest, they've got it all over social media. So you will have no shortage of information. They even have an app, which I thought was really cool because it gives you all the instructions. This is Kathleen. She is called the Vinyl Lady. She seriously knows more about vinyl than I thought we ever would need to know, but now we know we need to know this stuff. These are the products that Notions is going to carry now. So Kathleen and I are going to take you through those, and then she's going to do a little demo using the Cricut Easy Press, all right? So we're going to move this out of the way. Kathleen, tell us first what we're carrying so far.
On the heat transfer vinyl side, we have Easy Weed Stretch, our glitter HTV. HTV stands for heat transfer vinyl.
That was something else I learned. HTV.
And the other product is Easy PSV, which stands for pressure sensitive vinyl.
Yeah.
This on the heat transfer vinyl side is Easy Weed Electric, Easy Weed Stretch, and the glitter product here.
All right, so let's get these out of the way, and then we can show you how cool they look on the items that we've done already. Or not we've done, Kathleen did.
This is a little lunchbox, and this is our Easy Weed. That's a two-color or two-step process, with the red being the background and the white on the top.
All right, so one thing I learned today, couple of things that make the Siser vinyl, heat vinyls, a little bit more than what you might expect, is you can press on a fabric like this because you don't need the really, really high heat, and you don't need the long length of time. So less time, less heat. All right.
And pressure.
And pressure.
Less pressure.
Yep. All right, so that's that one. And this one here is so cool.
This is our Easy Weed Stretch. It has a matte finish. It's a very thin and supple product, and it'll go on all fabrics.
And this is on a really lightweight kind of polyester jersey. Now watch this. Ready?
Stretch me.
And he goes right back to what he was. That's really cool. So that's the Easy Weed Stretch.
This right here is our glitter. That's kind of showing a simple design, yet an easy logo to weed.
Yep, and the glitter is not going to come off. It's really, it's not going to come off onto your fingers or anything. It's going to be right down there on the t-shirt where it belongs.
Again, the advantage of a lot of our products over the competitors is our products will go on all fabrics. 50-50, 100% cotton and 100% polyester. This, just like it says, is our Easy Weed Electric.
You can see how it changes. So it's got a little bit of a pattern in there. So it's a little bit metallic-y looking. Very cool. And this
is our Easy Weed again. That's just two colors, so that's going to be a two-step application. And this is on a stadium cushion. So there's a lot of different substrates that you can put our materials on as long as they'll tolerate the heat.
All right, so for the heat transfer, we have the Easy Weed Stretch, the glitter, and electric. All right, so we have 4 for the heat transfer, and then we also have the pressure sensitive. So this would be some of the pressure sensitive.
This is our Easy PSV. So this is like if you see the family in the car window going down the street, it's like a sticker vinyl. So the PSV stands for pressure sensitive vinyl.
And
these come in 12 by 12 sheets, yes, and the adhesive is permanent.
All right, and so here's a couple of other things that we're done with it.
That's the Easy PSV glitter. And this is a Easy PSV permanent on this little flower box.
All right, so now Kathleen is going to take us through doing the actual steps for making the heat transfer vinyl on this cute little t-shirt, which is just absolutely adorable. Doesn't everybody need one of these teeny little t-shirts like this? I think they're adorable. All right, so we're going to use the Cricut Easy Press, so that's something else you can find at Notions. We have all the different sizes of the Easy Press, and what's cool about the Easy Press is that it's got the timer on it, and it's got the thermostat, so you know how hot you're going, and you know how long you're pressing, so that you're not pressing too short a time, because 10 seconds is not always 10 seconds to everybody if you don't have a clock clocking you. All right.
So this is our glitter material. That's the adhesive side. This has already been cut and weeded. I'm going to just, all you have to do, the next step is just turn it over and heat press it. My cover sheet, Vanna. Thank you. So we're going to cover it so nothing sticks to the upper platen of the press. So now we're going to just apply some pressure for about 10 seconds.
I'm going to hit the timer. Love the Easy Press so that you're not rushing it.
Again, this glitter material goes on all fabrics, 50-50, 100% cotton and 100% polyester. This product, like most of our products, are a hot peel. So once you apply the heat, you can remove the carrier immediately.
And
there you go.
Like that. So I want you to look for Siser on the Notions Marketing website. And again, that's S-I-S-E-R. You also want to check out their YouTube channel, their Pinterest, their
we have blogs, we have
Instagram. I was
Twitter.
blown away. And they've got this guy named Joe on their YouTube channel. You'll probably fall in love with him too. All right. So check this all out on the Notions Marketing website. Now, consumers, you're out there watching this too. We have the Siser vinyls. That means you can go to your favorite retailer now and ask them to pick up all of these really cool choices.